Dear friends, today I am going to share with you some useful tips on a very hot topic and relevant one also. I named it Your New Workplace is Your Home. Yes, friends, you have rightly heard. It's your new workplace is your home. It's a matter of concern for all of us that corona cases are increasing in our country, which leads to delay in normalization of post-lockdown situation. Prior to the spread of COVID-19, very few Indian corporates were allowing work from home. Work from home is becoming compulsion. Employers doesn't want to push their employees towards any difficulty. At the same time, continuity of the business is also to be taken care. In this situation, work from home is the better option available for now. When corporates are doing a lot to bring back the business on track, it's our endeavor to provide our support for sustainability and profitability of the business. Most of the consultants and advisors are advising the business houses that how to manage the workforce remotely. But very surprisingly, no one is advising the workforce that how to cope up with the new concept, with the new system, with the new module of work from home. In India, most of the employees are new to the concept of work from home. Hence, a focused and systematic approach is the need of the hour. In this situation, one has to keep in his mind how to utilize the available time and be productive on their job from their home. A disciplined and systematic approach of working is always better for a desired result. In this respect, I would like to share a quote on work from home by Alex Turnbull, founder and CEO of Group, who very rightly said that successfully working from home is a skill. Yes, friends, he said successfully working from home is a skill, just like programming, designing, or writing. It takes time and commitment to develop that skill. And the traditional office culture doesn't give us any reason to do that. I am sharing some small looking but valuable tips, particularly for those workforce who are new to the work from home concept, module, or system. Please follow these tips and remain productive from your new workplace that is your home. The first and foremost important in this is give due respect to work from home. Please focus on the word due respect. I mean to say that do not treat it as leave or holiday during the working hours and days. If you want to be successful, please respect this new system. Create a workstation for yourself at your home that will help a lot in performing better and focus on your subject. The third one is place all necessary items like pen, pencil, pad, sticky notes, etc. at the workstation. This will save a lot of time. Start your work at fixed time as much as possible to maintain regularity. It's a key for success. Regularity helps. Next one is be rigid to complete your task on time. Yes, be rigid to complete your task on time. This will create a goodwill for you. One can rely upon you, one can bank upon you. Do not wait for reminders. Do not wait for reminders, else it will create an impression about yourself that you do not do things without reminders. Communicate with your teammates and team leader regularly for sharing or receiving necessary information. Develop a habit of sharing daily status of your job with your immediate supervisor. Yes, do not ignore the phone calls of your supervisor or any colleagues. If you are busy in some important work, please leave a message that you will call back. Next is check your mailbox, SMS, WhatsApp at due intervals. Read only those messages which are relevant to your job and leave others for free time. As much as possible, enhance your digital knowledge. It's a age of digital. So, as much as possible, enhance your digital knowledge. Participate in your employee engagement activity organized by your company. Check your Wi-Fi connections every day before starting your work. Keep track of validity of your Wi-Fi and mobile phone. Make a habit of charging your laptop and mobile every day at late evening. Take small breaks from time to time to refresh yourself. Enjoy your lunch at fixed time regularly. To keep yourself fit, give place to yoga and pranayama in your daily routine. Friends, it is our body and mind which help us in performing our duties better. The last but not the least, your agility. Please hear it. Your agility and your adaptability. Your agility and adaptability of the situation will make you successful. Among all these tips, the first one was please give due respect to the new system module concept of work from home, and similarly your agility and adaptability of the situation will make you successful. This is what I thought I should share with you. Thanks to you all for a patience hearing.